Still a little soft. That's okay. Oh boy, can't wait. This is the watermelon pulp that I removed when I was straining out for the simple syrup. It kind of reminds me of cucumber, so I figured I would try making a watermelon tzatziki sauce. So, watermelon pulp. I'm going to use some lactose-free sour cream, dill weed, some roasted garlic, salt. Ooh, yup. There you have it. Wait, what? What has more calories, cucumbers or watermelon?
Cucumbers have more calories than watermelons. 100 grams of cucumber has 45 calories while 100 grams of watermelon has 30 calories.
Whoa. Well, on watermelon, got me the watermelon tzatziki. I made some watermelon simple syrup, which I'm thinking might be really nice on ice cream or pancakes or something. Then we also have, I made a little bit of jelly. I don't actually remember the difference, but it's not a preserve. And then I made watermelon ice cream. And then I also have a couple of tubs of the actual watermelon chunks still left. Oh, and watermelon juice. Lots of different ways for me to use watermelon, just as a fun, tasty palate experiment.